Hi everyone, this is Tammy from Tammy Colors 2. Today I have a flick through of Dinosaurs, Tractor and Dump Trucks. Color by Number by Sachin Sachdeva. This is new as of February 2025. It is the newest in the Color by Number series by Sachin, and it has his standard 24 color palette. It is adorable. It has 25 images that you can color. It is so cute. So let's get into this. I don't know which one. I gotta decide which one I'm gonna color first. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I might have to do this page first, actually. And there is a non-color by number version of this book as well. I will link both of them in the description box below. It also tells you the name of the dinosaur and the name of the vehicle that the dinosaur is riding on or in. So we have a Stegosaurus on a tractor, and these are the colors that you will use. It is black backed and Amazon printed. An Ankylosaurus on a bulldozer. An Oviraptor on a tow truck. Oh my goodness. Triceratops on a forklift. A Velociraptor on a recycling truck. A Parasaurolophus on a cement truck. A Spinosaurus on a loader. This is so cute. Oh, a Pachycephalosaurus on an excavator. A Brachiosaurus on a dump truck, of course. A Tyrannosaurus on a road roller. He looks so happy. I know I would be if I got to try one of those out. A Dilophosaurus on a chiller truck. Nice. A Ceratosaurus on a fuel truck. A Rabdodon on a tipper truck. I did not practice these names ahead of time. A Lambeosaurus. Oh, that's what those are called. On a crane truck. A Kentrosaurus on a fire engine truck. Let's see. A Styracosaurus on a van, or in a van, kind of in and out of a van. An Astrodon in a big rig, and of course his head sticks out. That's so cute. A Sylvosaurus on a panel truck. An Allosaurus in a logging truck. A Gallimimus on a food truck. A Pteranodon on an ATV. A Dimetrodon on an ambulance. A Baronx on a truck. A Troodon on a snowplow. A Therizinosaurus on a tank. Oh, that's so cool. I like the tank. Alright, and that's the end of the flip through, and these are all of his books in the back. Cozy Corner. Super cute coloring book. Cozy Corner is coming soon. Looking forward to that. Ooh, Tiffany windows in the mystery mosaic art genre. That'll be cool. In that, we've got our test pages at the back. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!